Zooming into the vaccine issue. Oh man, etoda yena yakasama amanyuku anase ya ye amanyosem wo man nim na edu ba bia yemu bi wo hwa eya na yehune se ewo se yeyi political lens no eto na ya discuss issues no dispassionately said ye Ghana ni bia because Ghana ho abran yebo semi pe o mempe say ye NDC say ye MPP Ghana ho bran yebo inti se me ba na me NDC ni na me betena be kan sem a emwa Ghana all because me say me party ba power na me nye ade ebo Ghana because me Ghana ni and yes say konfo boni begu nso a otimu bi ekrobegu a konfo boni no otimu bi and apart from that no sabi so ma me ewu na so wada ebonu nse no bi ekodi no ma me aduane a wo bekwa ko say yes Ghana haya na yefiri o se wo kwa ma no ne kwotena ma no ne sen ko bobra sen ya kuntuhwane ya na chia na eko ntu besa aba ntu ba na beduru ha ne yenya ba bi mfa wonto wo ba na beduru ha ne yenya ba bi nsie wo a se wo funu o sama engine ba bi a wo behu so wa man vaccine issues here by I think the first of its kind me fi nyina me nteda se vaccine enkra polio vaccine and a measles and a rubella a short to next time ye nye bi kura wo man mu ama emmo franket na suffer the consequences of these actions making kind ade be free World Health Organization or Money Ministry of Health a partnership be on a 6-day national measles and rubella vaccination program be on year na figures are omodi tu dwano o man na ehu no more say in the year 2017 19 cases of measles and rubella in Yenyaye ewo ye northern regions now 19 but then in August 2018 na cases na increase to 29 2017 and 19 then 2018 you increase it to 29 ewo ehonko now immunization program na yes omo bon ho bra no they spoke about the fact that your vaccines are your war my no that was even last year omo my hint to say we are running out of stock and so
that is 2022
yeah and so ebeya as a matter of urgency no yin take steps na yen resolve this issue we say oman ebiom mamen samfan to just say even aside eno for measles and those vaccination no HIV antiretroviral medication had stock out in Ghana and currently sa ndru no HIV antiretroviral drugs no yenya bi e Ghana has is running out of stock. World Health Organization ahenti yen and hint we me omode ma yen some time ago I think say way by even in 2017 and as a hint we omode ma yen and you look at a buying posture in relation to Sani we na yem de say menu about no busa say inti MPs or more machine bidwam can we say same say yes Ghana ni sikenti omo aketu wo so mo jebosome no ama na anase aban bi beka say na say ku bi beka say bi I am beka say because Ghana mu ni sikenti no from now till December yentu amoka what will happen in this country Abibia ya allude to the fact that children are the future leaders of this country. It is a crown totofewa at the ages of 9 months. To infant say
3 months, 2 months,
2 months. Ne san kwen ne was a warm. Na bisine ye ni vaccines. Aye de be mom. And omahene minim media many fika kami hu si a polio tie. Those times na omo de flyer be bobo ban ho say dua akra wako and it is just heartening to see akra keto go through such. Measles yare bonia and this yare are part of the 6 childhood killer diseases. And o man here bet na o man mu ne de we so aye amanyosem. A government that says is responsible for the people. Now from last year October WHO amawo hint to say you have run out of stock. What my yenhwe am ya bedru match amenne matese ese nkra bi kra ahwere wo nkwa
nkwara mienu wo isrem
nkwara mienu wo sirem It is very, very disheartening to hear such a story. Say, Sadi we see it in yesi, e Ghana ha, ama mofra actually wo munkwa. Omahine, yentimi fa Sadi we enye politics. These debts are on the heads of the president. Iwu we see, on the health minister. Iwu we see is on their heads. Yese yakwa konya vaccines ni bi. And me tie pediatrician back. Was it vaccines na aba no? So 6 weeks no mo kan kra no. It's just an estimate. E bi kwa na Andrew. Because currently demand there war for vaccines no.
There's a rush.
So
be a person ba benya
access. 6 weeks na ye kan kra one Andrew na vaccines na dey asa. And little did we know so vaccines na ye nya ye no mpo no e through a donor support from Nigeria. Say ye vaccines na ye peno yen saka e wo see sako replace sa vaccines do na yaje no it is on my hand say ye vaccines 1,000 and ye requested for 5,000 ye expected 5,000 e ba ye the 1,000 they say ko be ye then we'll have 4,000 still there will be a backlog. There will be a backlog and only ade anko phone for madwin enko ho. You requested 5,000 vaccines. You didn't care obi ama ye bi. The other ma ye no e ye bosia no de aboyu. And so we have to go and replace that vaccines. And the fan says say 5,000 na you requesting ban na. Ye kwot 1,000 na from side akosi be ye kwaji free ye. Na aka be 4,000. 4,000 na aka no still na enso. Into my hine asem we vaccine issue we no enya asem e de ye amanyosem. Enya asem a ye de politics. Because ebetima ye menu aketwa. Ebetima ye uni aketwa, ebetima ye ofase, ebetima ye obabi. Nti me issues on health ade ya na me pese me de be politics. Yen na communicators etore bi wo ho a na pese wo de amanyosem fansin, but when it comes to health yen jai politicization of it. Because sabi se me nua yare ne de ne ko hospital yen musa ne NDC party card o. Sana wo fase bi yare ne de no se measles ya che wo fase yen musa se MPP party card when you. But the question I'm busa me when I say, "Oh my," in sa issue where na situation where you woman, inti penny bi a oye penny was soro ho a wawo ne ba enya pane ni bia na. Is it the same treatment from penny for na? Wetimi aka so wo sika obetimi atua ne bia na? Because in all these things over here, it is the vulnerable and the suffer. And here for now, we need no. Omo no mo kire omu. And you know, my hand, there are 3 northern regions, no. The poverty rate wo ho. Inti vaccines no, see a ton of 20 cities krana, ubi was soro baby a, ubi sana 5 cities kra wonya. But penny bitin crime. Ono no, ne ba no, ye wo na na enya biama no. Even though you say vaccines are short to Ghana no, some people are benefiting from it. And until the toda eba issues of health abibia no, eya na me mpese me dia manwesem be ko ho. Because ebe kan obi a mo fa kwasi je wo hui ne wo fa asi bia na ne na bi sabi se yem fa ne se wanya bia bi of kwasi je de oye former communications director of nya ofa phone efra ye benya bia ma no e bi nso na communicator bi o tie kurasi bi a oye information center so communication wo kwa wo nantimpo na ekọ de be fa ka go ni no se ani pasa no se ne hu bibi kan in this situation, in this dire situation, as a vaccines are short, no, would that person get some? And so we are buying a message. No, Minister of Health say, or more ascended info. Your friend is saying, or more make request. Say ibimra, yes, wrong. They should expedite it. Na emra any menu ya because enkra any kwanse enkra for su in this current 21st century because of vaccines. Measles, polio, because Sadia no before 2000, before the year 2000, and any year concern your man ho na ye say ye will eradicate. Say o my no kaya o launch operation be say o eradicate totally measles from this country. Ache. So enye afi 2023 and ye be wo ma ye be start say we are back to the era and cry ya wo mu enya vaccine enfan wo mu to give them life. It's a nipa tu na hwe Minister of Health, he should bow his head down in shame. President should bow his head down in shame. Say nkram ye nwetima hwe in 2023 as a result of shortage of vaccines. ebe ma nkora nkete nkwa ama san nkora ya se na also enti na make ahwe se na also ye free teachers and also we sit down we and also we see we and also we channel we see we na se nipa nimu a ade na si woni na ebe ye kwa say there's a glamisi we say nipa ntim look at how etie ba oba asokwa ma mpo say nipa tim and so we sit down see ho ana ye studio kama na obi ansori ametina studio no mu a studio no be time nobody will listen obi antie enti say why you free SHS na nkra na e wo so munyini ba be enjoy ni ewu at this time na the ewu ye nyina na e cost 90 and the government and the minister had grace period from October last year and yes say mam hint and want me am procure now in March afena mo be when are we expecting it the modi aba no 6 weeks nkra endru so they are still kids omunye beneficiaries of adena modi aba no. What are those kids also saying?